Hello, hello everyone. Ayan, napaisip po akong gumawa ng pansit for today. I don't know how they call this one, pansit or pansit bihon. Kasi nga, birthday ng anak ko, July 4, kaso lang may work ako. And ngayon, may time ako mag-cooking. At gusto ko naman mag-celebrate ng something for my son. So, I will start for cooking pancit. And now, we're frying some onion. And of course, we're going to add some carrots. I put a lot of vegetable, guys, because yan. I'll put how do you put this one? Carrots. Parang tulog pa ang utak ko, While I'm doing this one, my mind is Basta yan, madami akong gulay nilalagay. Carrots lang, guys, kasi ito lang nabili ko. Naghahanap ako actually ng beans, yung bagyo beans, kaso lang wala So, carrots and repolyo na lang ang ating ihahalo. Maraming gulay, guys. And of course, ayaw kong lagyan ng meat. So, ayan. We will continue, guys, ang aking video for my son's birthday. A simple celebration here for me. Anyway. So, we put first carrots, and then the next thing we are going to add is the repolyo. So, ayan guys, let's continue my video for today. And of course, we're going to add some repolyo or cabbage in English. So, that's why I make pancit, guys, kasi I miss to eat pancit as well. Alam niyo, wala na lang ako ginawa doon sa countryside. Mag-barbecue sila, puro meat. So, it's really tiring for me. Kaya, yan, gagawa ko ng aking pancit na walang karne. Actually, I don't know. I think I will just put some, fry eggs. I don't want to add meat. So, yan, guys. Nilagay ko na ang ating repolyo sa aking frying vegetable for my pancit. So, see you. And we will gonna add some soy sauce and of course some black pepper and some a little bit spicy. I have here mixed spicy like garlic, carrots, and some herbs. So, it's all mixed. I'm gonna add this later when almost is done. So, ayan guys, I think our vegetable is already done and we are going to set aside this one. So, ayan. Does look so. Ayan lang ang aking halo for my pancit for today. Later, we will continue. So, ayan guys, nilagay ko ng aking, mixed, sutanghon in rice noodles. Hindi rice noodle, egg noodles. Ano ba tong bulak na ito? Yung nilagay kong nakalimutan ko na tuloy. So, ayan. Hindi ko alam kung gaano kasarap Basta ang importante, kakain ako ng pancit for today for my son's birthday. Hindi ako ganun ka-perfect gumawa ng pancit, guys, actually. But anyway, whatever it is, the most important is tasty. I will put the spring onion kasi na siya. Tapos, ilalagay ko yung aking gulay. Actually, yung gulay, guys, yung vegetable is already well done. Done na siya. Kaya, imimix ko na lang siya. But at the same time, I will put the spring onion first. So, ayan, guys. Para makook naman ang ating spring onion. Para may green ang ating kasi wala akong mahanap, guys, na kahit sa frozen nagtry ako ng so ayan. And of course, don't forget na ilalagay natin ang ating eggs. Ayan, half lang muna kasi para ma-mix siya. Ayun. Ayan guys, tapos na ang aking pancit for today. And later I will put on the table and we will try our pancit. This is my ngayon na naman lang ako nag-cook nito guys, ng pancit na ito. So, I hope it's tasty. But I hope it's tasty. Yan. So, yan guys. I just like to show my simple celebration for my son's birthday. So, happy birthday once again to my beloved son in my life. So, yan. I just cook some simple pancit, and of course, nothing will not forget about my favorite wine. And andyan na mga kalat ko guys, yung laptop ko inilagay ko na lang doon sa sofa kasi my table is very small. So ayan. I-try natin ang ang pancit. I-try ko ang aking pancit kung masarap. Yung ko din to siya, guys. Favorite ko rin siyang laging kinakain pag ay nalaglag ng isa. Yung siya, meat from horse. Masarap siya. Actually, gusto ko din yan. Ayun. Parehas din naman siya, guys. Ano naman ito is beef. So, ayan. Pag masarap siya. So, let's try my pancit for today. First time kong gumawa ulit ng Tagal na ako hindi gumawa ng pancit, guys. So, ayan. And of course, buksan natin ang ating wine. Ang aking biniling red wine para sa aking anak. So, this is your handa, anak. I love you, Jan. I always love you. Mama always love you. Hopefully, ayan. So, ayan. Let's try the wine. Red wine, anak. Uy, sorry. Natapon. Malamig siya, guys. Kasi kakukuha ko lang siya from the fridge. Try natin. I love it. Ayan. Cheers for your life, Nak. Wish you more birthday, more success in life. So let's try, guys, the wine. Cheers for my son. I love you. I hope you are, wow. Without wine, my life will not complete. Without my son, my life is empty. So it's just like wine. Kaya yun. Alam niyo ba guys, kahit sa bahay ko sa Pilipinas, may mga collection akong wine na talagang lang, akin lang. So yun. Champagne, red wine. Most of the time I like sweet red wine because basta masarap siya, guys. Kung basta yun ang ko, yun lang aking gusto ko din naman ng white one, but most of the time I still choose red champagne or red wine. Yan. So ayan, this is for my son. Cheers! And of course, ang kanyang cake, na. Ibablo na natin ang cake para sa aking anak. Although nag-blow na ako ng cake on the day of his birthday. But this time, I want to celebrate with my son. So, i-blow natin ang kanyang cake. 1, 2, 3. Ayun. Na-blow na natin ang kanyang cake. Tingnan ko tikman ko ang aking pancit for my cooking today. So, see you guys. I'm going to cut the cake for my son. Parang laki naman. Sandali. Liitan natin. Diyos ko po. Uy. Ang laki pa rin. Liit lang natin. Diyos ko po. Ang dami. It's very sweet. I don't know. Sana pumunta yung aking isang friend. Ay, malalaglag pa. Dahan-dahan lang. Hindi ako marunong mag-balance. Baka malaglag, guys. Ayun! Nalaglag na nga. So, let's try. Kung how is that is. Actually, may ginawa akong cocktail. Kasi it's really sweet. So, ayan ang aking Cocktail. Wala akong gusto kong magbili ng mint kasi masarap siya with mint. Kaso lang walang mint sa grocery. So, ayun. Naubusan na ako. Try natin ang cake nito. Kung how is the taste. Uy. It's too much icing. Tasty. Try din natin ang ating cocktail. It's just good for sweet and then a little bit sour and cucumber. So, yan guys, aking celebration for my son's birthday. I hope you na-enjoy nyo ang panonood ng aking vlog for today. And my personal share story about my son's birthday. So, ayan. Ang aking ulip na favorite din. Masarap din siya guys. Ang aking cocktail drink. Bagay sa matamis na cake. Pero super talaga guys, ang tamis yatay.